Alright, happy Chinese New Year, everyone. 恭喜发财. Today let's take a look at the US, Singapore, and the Hong Kong stocks. Okay, so this is a short update. Okay, so please help me to like and subscribe to this channel if you want to have more updates. Okay, so let's quickly go through the market. So first of all, right, I would like to know what are some of the strongest stocks, right? Some of the strongest stocks in the Singapore market. Okay, so for Singapore market, SGX, if you look at the market right now, stocks like ASL Marine, these are the small cap, okay, the small caps, CNMC Gold Mine, these are the small cap that's doing very well. Money Max, okay, Money Max is one of the top performer recently. Okay, Hong Leong Asia, not yet, okay, haven't really moved. So Hong Leong Asia is in a consolidating period. So for short term, this, you can watch out for a breakout. Breakout means the price move above the resistance level. Right. So this pink color line here, this $3.45 is the resistance level. So let's see if Hong Leong Asia be able to break out of this. This one, Hua Tiong Global, I'm not sure what this is, but then it is one of the performer. OKP also consolidating. So for Singapore market, what do you think? Is the bull market still running? From what I see, it is still running right now. Okay, so what you see over here, right? And CSE Global, if you are in our this Telegram, you'll be able to receive this. Okay, so how to get in our Telegram? Of course, you must be our client, right? Okay, we always talk about this CSE Global since 70 over cents, since 90 over cents until now it's already $1.30. So CSE Global is one of the best performer for the past 12 months. Okay, so this must be in your watch list. Stocks like Food Empire also moving, Spear Lifestyle, okay, and this Value Max, okay. So Nam Chong also consolidating, okay, also in a consolidating zone. So a lot of stocks, right? A lot of stocks, okay. Even this Dairy Farm, right? Dairy Farm is also consolidating, consistent uptrend, very consistent uptrend. So so for Singapore, okay, if you are looking for bigger company, okay, bigger company, what would that be, right? Keppel, okay, Keppel. So Keppel is very, very strong, but what do you see? Okay, what I see is near the resistance and really extended right now. And if you look at DBS, UOB, okay, OCBC, this is recently, right, there is a bottom signal. So which means what? Which means for short term, Singapore stocks, okay, might have reached a short term oversold region, a support level, just like the previous one. That is the bottom signal. So this is the same bottom signal. Okay, this is the bottom signal previously, right? So this level. So that is like a bottom signal. Bottom signal means that is after a sell down, the stock start to reach a support level. Okay, so so what about stocks like City Development? Right, City Development, right? What do you see, right? Okay, very extended. So the bank stocks pull back. STI, right? STI still remain very strong uptrend. Small cap still very strong. Just that DBS is having some discount, right? Even Singtel, okay, Singtel is breaking into a new high. So that explains why STI is so strong right now. Okay, so is it a really good time to buy? It's not really a really good time because you can see, right, all this stock already spike up. Okay, so it's not easy. Okay, it's not easy for anybody to just jump in right now. Okay, however, for people who are holding on to the stocks, okay, holding on to the stocks are still moving. Okay, still moving on the uptrend. Okay, stocks, all these stocks, right? Okay, they are still generally still on the uptrend. Okay, so what are some of the stocks, okay, you are watching? Okay, if there's some good Singapore stocks, do let me know in the comment below. All right. So mega cap, okay, or not mega cap, big cap, okay, big cap, SGX. These are the opportunity, okay, the opportunity to pull back near the support. DBS bottom signal. These are the near the support. Okay, UOB. These are the consolidation. OCBC. So for bank stocks, for financial, not really very extended. So if you wonder, is there any opportunity the stock haven't moved yet one, look out for the bottom signal, which is the financial sector. So we can do the same scan. We can look at like 5 days ago. Okay, so you can see DBS, iFast, Ascenders, REITs. These are the stock. Okay, Sheng Siong. These are the stock that is near the support level, pullback near the support level. Fraser, okay, Keppel, REIT. So these are the stock that haven't moved. Okay, a lot of stock has moved. These are some of the stocks that haven't moved. Okay, help me to write down in the comment below what I just mentioned, because later on I need to refer to the comment below, right? Okay, let me know what have you heard. Okay, write down in the comment below. Okay, so for now, let's quickly move to Hong Kong. What's the situation in Hong Kong? So Hong Kong, right, actually have a very strong pullback. Okay, not the Hang Seng, but the Hang Seng Tech. Hang Seng Tech, right, okay, has been selling down. Okay, selling down since October. So which means those stocks like Tencent, those stocks like Alibaba, they are now actually, pretty cheap. Okay, pretty cheap because of the sell down since October. Okay, so what do you see, right? Okay, there is some bottom signal happening already. So which means now is at the discount. Okay, at the discount. Understand? At the support level. So it's good for people who have cash. They want to pick the bottom, want to buy quality stocks. Okay, so this Alibaba, or this they haven't moved. Okay, they haven't moved. But what's really like moving? Okay, what's really moving? Okay, if you look at like Ganfeng Lithium, these are the stock that is really, really strong. Okay, so basic material. Okay, China Hongqiao, okay, China Hongqiao, all this, basic material, aluminium, okay, MMG, okay, all these are the really strong one that is unlike the technology stocks. Okay, unlike the technology stocks. So the market, right, okay, prefer all these Zijin mining, all these mining stocks. These mining stocks do much better than the tech stocks, the China tech stocks. Understand? All right. So what stocks I just mentioned, right? Write down in the comment. Okay, write in the comment. So battery stocks, Ganfeng Lithium, CATL are actually doing well. Okay, actually doing well. And even this one, right? Huashun. Okay, Huashun, right? So somebody, you might not hear about this, but for all you know, okay, this is actually one of the strongest stocks. Okay, one of the strongest stocks. And besides that, YOFC stocks like this one, right, go up like crazy. Okay, spike up like crazy every day. Okay, so the market, right, okay, actually don't focus on the big tech company, AI, AI stocks. Okay, so even those UB Tech, okay, UB Tech robotic, right? Okay, actually it's not so consistent as compared to those battery Ganfeng Lithium, and just now the copper, silver stocks. Understand? Okay, so with the screener, we can use this screener, and we can also find this bottom master uptrend, and we can go for Hong Kong. And what do you see, right? Okay, so those stocks that not moving yet. Okay, not moving, still near the support level. Okay, what do we have? We have AIA. Okay, very close right after pullback, and start to bounce just 2 day. Okay, just 2 day bounce. Ping An pullback just started to bounce, right? So the support level, the bottom signal previously, right, all work very well. Okay, ICBC, okay, ICBC is still low, right? Still cheap, right? And Hua Hong Semiconductor still near the support level, a very sharp pullback, still near the support level. Okay, so quite many of these stocks. ABC is what? Agricultural Bank of China. Okay, ABC still near the support. Okay, so I give you a few things. Okay, number one is I give you something that is moving like crazy, moving up very strongly. We can use this ultimate bull. Okay, ultimate bull is doing very well. Rank. Okay, those stock that is doing very well. AIA. Okay, all this ultimate bull. HSBC. CNOC. Okay, oil and gas. Oil and gas is doing very well. Okay, Zijin Mining, just I mentioned. CCB. Okay, CCB is what? CCB is China Commercial Bank, right? China Commercial Bank. So Sheng Hong Kai, this one is also like crazy. Sheng Hong Kai Property SHK, okay, doing very well. Petro China doing very well. Tektronic doing very well. Okay, and what else? Okay, CMOC. Okay, CMOC is also basic material. So let's do this CMOC. What they do? Okay, so let's see. Okay, so okay, previously known as China molybdenum. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay, China Company Limited, a Chinese mining company, one of the world's largest producer of molybdenum, tungsten, niobium. Okay, wow. Okay, so basically a lot of this raw material. So copper, all this. Okay, so CMOC, you must know. Okay, please write down in the comment. CMOC, you must know. China Life, very consistent uptrend. Okay, very consistent uptrend. So if you are wondering, like, hey, Andy, I'm not we are not doing very well right now. Our stock not moving. So if your stock not moving, the more you need to have uptrend stocks. So stock like China Life, this is a good one. Okay, is very consistent but not too steep. Stock like this Weichai Power, right, is more steep. It's not as easy, right? It's like some risks out there. Okay, so very steep uptrend. So okay, so you got to balance in terms of the size and the direction of your stocks. Okay, and try to acknowledge all these strong stocks. So what I do here is to share with you Bank of China Hong Kong 2388. This is also on a very consistent uptrend, and this is also the strongest in terms of the whole sector. Okay, if you're wondering, hey, all this stock already up. Actually, the truth, right, is the market is not doing very well. Okay, it's not as well as what you think, because most people, right, they will actually have stock like Tencent. Okay, most people will have stock like Tencent, and people will be not making money during this period. So okay, so what happened? So only certain stocks, like what I mentioned, those stocks that is really breaking out in the ultimate bull one, these are the better one. Okay, so you need to know what are the strong sector and adapt. Okay, the keyword is adapt to the strong sector. Okay, it's a bit difficult because everybody naturally you want to buy Alibaba. Okay, naturally you want to buy Bilibili. Okay, because all these are looking very cheap, but these are very volatile uptrend, which is very inconsistent. Okay, really not consistent. Okay, those stock like CK Asset, go up consistently, but very difficult for everybody to buy. Do you agree with that? Okay, that's the struggle of the trader right now. Those stock keep on going up. How to buy? Okay, all right. So just like I mentioned, right, US. Okay, US also same thing, right? US also stocks like Apple. Okay, still good but not consistent uptrend. Okay, stocks like Nvidia, okay, is having earnings this week. Okay, and really good one is TSM. Okay, TSM is the one that is really consistent uptrend, and Palantir are the one that really like making everybody sick. Okay, because this one is falling faster than every mega cap. Okay, this one is Palantir is the one that fallen the most. Even Meta, okay, Meta haven't recovered back to the new high. Okay, so Meta reached a high in August, 787, right? 788. But after that, that is the highest point and pull back. So that's why, okay, a lot of people find it difficult right now, and because all these stocks have pulled back over the last 2-3 months. Okay, the good news is these stocks are still cheap. So for beginners, okay, people who have no experience, people who want to do long-term investing, they want to buy mega cap, actually the market's still cheap. Okay, it's still cheap. Huh? You look at all these Tesla, Meta, okay, even Microsoft, all these, right? Okay, still haven't gone up yet. So for people who are value investors, right, they are looking for value. Okay, but people who are looking at trend, right, people who are looking at trend, right, what do? You use the screener and you adapt to the strong trend. So what are the strong trends? As I mentioned, TSM is one of them. MU, right, SNDK. Okay, these are the strong trend. Okay, LRCX, DE. Okay, these are the strong trend. GE, okay, very strong. And also, if you look at Caterpillar, COHR, these are very strong. Okay, GLW, GEV, these are very strong stocks. And FIX, construction engineering stocks are also doing very well. Okay, so right now, in the comment below, right, what I just mentioned, so that it's easier for you to refer back. Maybe 1 month later, 2 months later, did these stocks continue to follow through? Okay, stocks like AG, okay, First Majestic Silver, okay, it's doing very well recently. So the market, okay, is not easy. It's not easy because all these mega cap, haven't really moved. But it's also telling you that, hey, actually, it's either you adapt or you wait for the mega cap to rebound and to go up. All right. Okay, so everybody, I keep this video short. Okay, just stay safe, stay invested, and good luck to everyone. Okay, 恭喜发财 is a Chinese New Year right now. I hope this video helps. Remember to like and subscribe this video. That helps my channel very much. Thank you. I see you next time.